Delivery note. A delivery note is an important document that records the items being delivered from a sender to a receiver. This process ensures accurate tracking of materials, whether for internal transfers or external dispatches. Creating a new delivery note. Outward. Click Add New. Starts the delivery note creation process. The system redirects to the delivery note entry page. Entering delivery note details. The following details must be entered. Company and branch details, auto-fetched. Example: SRC Projects Private Ltd. BO Chennai. Select delivery type. Recipient details. 2. Select the receiver of the items. Send through. Date. The system auto-fills the current date. You can modify it if needed. Adding items to the delivery note. Click Add Row. Insert new items. The following fields must be filled. Description: name of the item being delivered, specification, additional details about the item, unit of measure, delivery quantity, remarks. Delete row. If an item is added by mistake, it can be removed. Submitting the delivery note. Click Submit. Saves the delivery note. Once submitted, the delivery note number will appear on the main page. Click the delivery note number to view details. The system allows you to print the delivery note for records or further processing. Delivery note inward. Receiving items at branch. The delivery note inward process ensures that received items are properly recorded at the receiving branch or supply location. Click on the delivery note number in the main page. The system displays the delivery note details. Delivery note number. Date, sender name, receiver, item details, recording the inward entry in the inward entry form. Enter. Received quantity. Number of items received at the branch. Balance quantity. Remaining quantity. If any. Click Update. Records the inward entry. Once updated, the stock will be marked as inward in the system. The delivery note inward details can be viewed in reports for tracking and verification. Close hire vehicle. The close hire vehicle process allows users to mark a hired vehicle as closed or returned when it is no longer in use. This ensures accurate tracking of vehicle availability and proper documentation of vehicle hire records. 1. Select vehicle type. Drop-down vehicle type selection. Users can choose between Own, for company-owned vehicles. Hire, for rented or hired vehicles. 2. Search section. The search function helps users find a specific vehicle before closing it. Search by vehicle code, unique identifier, vehicle number, registered number, vehicle name, model, or description. After searching, results will be displayed in a table. 3. Results table. Once a search is performed, the system displays matching vehicles in a table with the following columns: vehicle code, vehicle number, vehicle name. Clicking on the Close button redirects users to the Hire Vehicle Closing form. 4. Hire Vehicle Closing form. This form is used to update the vehicle's hire status. Fields included: vehicle code, vehicle number, vehicle name, vehicle status, branch name,
date.
remarks. 5. Close button. Final steps to close a vehicle. Review all details. Enter remarks if necessary. Click the Close button. After clicking Close, the vehicle status is updated to closed or returned. The system may trigger accounting and deactivation processes. The vehicle is removed from the active hire list. A confirmation message appears. Hire vehicle closed successfully. Vehicle transfer list. Purpose: displays all vehicles scheduled or in process of being transferred between branches or locations. You can view, track, and manage vehicle transfers. This includes seeing which vehicles are awaiting approval for transfer or which transfers have been completed. Clicks Details to see vehicle code, vehicle number, purchase details, transfer-related information. Click Change Branch to update transfer details, including Transfer to branch name. Additional transfer notes save transfer details. Approval to transfer. Purpose. This stage allows an authorized person, e.g., a manager, to approve or reject the vehicle transfer request. The approval process ensures that only authorized transfers are executed, verifying details, like the destination branch and reason for transfer. Vehicle receiving. Purpose. This refers to the confirmation that the receiving branch or location has received the transferred vehicle. By clicking Receive, you can mark the vehicle as received once it has arrived at the new location. This confirms the transfer process is complete and ensures proper tracking. Transferring status. Purpose. Tracks the status of the vehicle during the transfer process, e.g., in transit, pending approval, transferred. You can view and update the status at any point, allowing you to monitor and manage the transfer progress and ensure vehicles are tracked throughout the process. In simple terms, vehicle transfer list shows all vehicles in the transfer process. Approval to transfer ensures someone authorized approves the transfer. Vehicle receiving confirms the vehicle arrived at the new location. Transferring status tracks where the vehicle is in the transfer process. Vehicle costing report. Purpose. Tracks diesel consumption and costs for owned and hired vehicles, providing insights into fuel usage, expenses, and efficiency. Key benefits. Monitor fuel consumption per vehicle. Track fuel expenses and identify high-spending vehicles. Analyze efficiency and detect maintenance needs. Features. Vehicle diesel consumption list. Select vehicle type. Own/hire. Select branch. Choose branch location. Search. Search by vehicle code, number, date, or name. Results table displays vehicle fuel data. Branch. Vehicle code. Vehicle number, date. Vehicle name. Vehicle type. Click vehicle code for a detailed own vehicle costing report. Own vehicle costing report. Key fields. From/ to date. Vehicle code. Starting date. Number of loads. Diesel rate. Diesel cost. Total cost per. No of hours. Diesel quantity, consumption. Vehicle sale and scrap. The vehicle sale and scrap feature helps track sold or scrapped vehicles, ensuring accurate records of their status, sale price, and responsible personnel. Vehicle sale and scrap list. Branch code. Vehicle code. Vehicle name. Vehicle number. Details. Sale or scrap. View details. Click Details to see complete vehicle history. Vehicle sale and scrap form. Key fields. Vehicle code auto-filled from system records. Vehicle name auto-filled from system records. Vehicle type auto-filled from system records. Sold/scrap from branch auto-filled from system records. Sold or scrap, choose sold or scrap. Sold by enter the responsible person's name. Approved by enter the approver's name. Sold price, enter the agreed sale price. Party name, enter the buyer's name. Broker name, if any, enter broker's name, leave blank if not applicable, and then update it. The selected vehicle will sailed or scrapped based on the sale or scrap form.